Hello and welcome to another unboxing for the holidays. So this time I have a Bluetooth headphone amplifier from Shanling. It's the Shanling UP4. There's a newer model available, I think in China. It's called the UP5, but in my country we don't have it available yet. So this is a portable Bluetooth headphone amplifier. It has a dual DAC. I think it's from Sabre. It's the ES921 and it has a balanced output and a single-ended 3.5 mm output as well. It's a little bigger than the competition, so the immediate competition right now is the FIO's BTR5 2021 model. So that has a slight leg up over the Shanling. So the FIO has much better codecs and resolution as a USB DAC, whereas the Shanling supports only 24 bit and 48 kilohertz as a USB DAC, but the rest of the Bluetooth capabilities are exactly the same. You won't find much difference. So that was not much of a issue for me. So the FIOs were sold out and this is the only one that was available. My real use was to put it in my car. I have a pretty old car and which doesn't have Bluetooth, but it has an excellent sound system. So this was more or less a purchase that's been postponing for a while. So here we are. Let me just do the unboxing and I'll go into more details. Okay, so let me run through the usual unboxing. So one of the criteria for my purchase was to make sure that it has LDAC support. So like I said, my car hi-fi is pretty good, but no Bluetooth. And I didn't find the standard SBC Bluetooth very acceptable for what I listen to. So this is the one that I shortlisted and finally fell for. So let me just pull out the box. I think I'll just pause the recording for a minute because this has a glued top. Oh no, sorry. There it goes. It's a box that's supposed to slide out, I guess. Okay. All right. Guys, okay, I'm going to pause this for a second. Bummer. It says open here. So that's what happens when you're in holiday mode. It's pretty neatly opening up. It's quite small. It's compared to the images and reviews that I've been seeing, it's actually quite small. I mean, this is my pen knife and this is, yeah, that gives you an idea of how big it is. It's got a 2.5D glass, a fingerprint magnet. You'll end up cleaning this a lot. High-res audio stickers. I think that's the power button. And what else? We have a balanced output, a 3.5 mm and a selector to select different modes. I think it's already in pairing mode. This blue blinking light is the only LED out here. So talking about the competition, if you look at the FIO's BTR5, I think that's the one. So that has a very nice OLED display. It's small, but it gives you basic information. It looks very nice. So the Shanling is a little more probably heavier and thicker, but it does the same in terms of Bluetooth capabilities. And like I told you earlier, the FIO has a leg up in terms of USB DAC capabilities, but the rest of it is exactly the same as Shanling. So what else? I think that's all there is in the box. I don't know if there is anything hidden behind this foam, so let me pull it out. Yes, there is accessories. Okay guys, there's got to be a USB cable here to charge the unit. And yep, like I said, a very nice cloth covered USB cable. This is a type C USB. I think the battery is rated to last for about 8 hours if I'm right. Let me just pull up the web page. Let's look at that. Yeah, I'm sorry. So it's rated to last for 15 hours on single-ended and 10 hours on balanced output. That's all there is. It's very simple. You can just pair it up with your phone or any device, and you should be able to hear it. So most important is to make sure your phone supports high resolution like aptX or LDAC, and you should be set. The only other accessory in here is a small clip-on cover or case, if you want to call it so. It's a simple plastic case, but it serves the purpose, I guess. This basically goes into the clip the other way. That's it. Gives you some basic protection from falls, and most importantly you can clip it to your trousers or bag or whatever you're using. So I'll try to get you a small sound bite or a sound impression from this in the next video, but meanwhile I think that's all there is in the unboxing. There's warranty, and then there's the quick start guide. That's it. So okay, catch you later with sound impressions then.